In this video, we're going to talk about the best celiac diet. What is the best diet you can follow to get rid of your celiac disease for good? Now, the word celiac, it actually has a Greek origin, and it's just what the Greeks, the old doctors, Hippocrates and Celsius, and these guys, that's what they just used to describe general abdominal issues, as they would just call it, celiac disease. But during World War II, there was this doctor who decided to recoin celiac disease as gluten intolerance. For no reason. I mean, he had a reason, but it was a really shitty reason. So, like, there's so much mass confusion around this terminology because they're so clueless on what's going on behind the scenes. Watch this video. I'm going to share with you the root cause so you have no more fear around the most delicious food in the world. Gluten. It is delicious, and your life is going to be miserable without it. Think about going out on a date and you guys are going to share a dessert, you know, some pastry. Oh, I can't eat that. She's going to be like, why are you such a nerd? Just freaking shove this in your mouth and, oh, I'm going to diarrhea in your bathroom when we come. Like, seriously, you need to get this problem under control because your life is just going to suck if you cannot eat gluten. Some of you, I know some of you are probably Christian and you're afraid of the staff of life. You're afraid of the body of Christ. Wake up. You can eat food. You can eat energy and nutrients. I'm going to explain to you what is going on. So there's a few of you that have a mild reaction to gluten. And then there's some of you that have a severe reaction to gluten. Like you go into anaphylactic shock and you get these crazy symptoms. Now, if you have crazy symptoms, please use extreme caution in getting gluten back into your diet. It is possible to get gluten back into your diet. I know exactly how to do it, but you need to be careful and you need to really understand what is going on. You probably need professional help. You're going to need my help. If you have mild celiac symptoms, like you get a little gut pain, you get a little diarrhea, this is just going to be so easy. By the end of this video, you're going to be eating whatever gluten you want. So what is the best gluten diet? Well, the first thing, this whole concept of a diet is going to fix your food intolerances is total nutbaggery. It's insane. It's like logically, it is just the dumbest thing anybody could possibly do is go on a diet. Like, I understand why it might make sense, but from a logic perspective, it is downright stupid. So, and I fall guilty of this too. I'm making fun of myself while I do this, guys. So how can avoiding something fix the problem? Like, hey, I want to eat gluten again. I want to eat like a normal person again. But you're avoiding the stimulus. The solution, like what the desired result that we want is I want to eat gluten and not react to it. How can you possibly achieve that by not eating gluten? When people go on the gluten-free diet, when people go on the grain-free diet, they actually develop a severe intolerance to gluten. I did not get my gluten intolerance until I went on the specific carbohydrate diet, until I went on the GAPS diet. That's when I started to get really bad reaction to gluten. And then you have the primal dieters, the paleo dieters, the carnivore dieters who don't know how to read a book. Our ancestors were eating gluten every single day with every single meal. Even if you look at the tribal societies, they're eating some sort of starch. You can see it in like the cave paintings and stuff. You can see it in the archaeology. They were eating lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of grains. It's a very energy dense and nutrient dense food. You can eat these foods. So the question, what's the best diet? No diet. Fuck all these diets. You don't need a diet. Screw all those gluten-free products. Gluten-free food is like the worst damn food. It's like so tasteless and it's so expensive. Imagine all the money you can save and imagine like all the traveling you can do. I mean, traveling on a gluten-free diet is miserable. You're going to go to Italy and eat gluten-free pasta? Like, come on, like wake up. And then you're going to go visit, you're Christian, you're going to go visit a church and pretend that you're not afraid of the body of Christ. Like, you see how asinine this is. Wake up from this nutbaggery. You need to believe that gluten is safe again. Your celiac is caused by a stressful situation that put your gut into overdrive. Your body's trying to help you survive. It put an organ into overdrive, and it just so happened to choose your gut in this instance. So what is stressing you out? What is dominating your thoughts? And that is what you need to come to peace with. That stress is causing your symptoms. But also, what's causing a lot of symptoms for celiac people is they're perceiving gluten, they're perceiving bread as hard to digest, and the gut is going to go, oh, okay, the brain is going to go, hey, we have this hard to digest food coming in. We're going to develop extra gut cells to help them digest this hard to digest food, and then after they digest it, it gets out of their symptoms, gets out of their system, the body gets rid of these extra gut cells, and that is when you get the symptoms. This is called, this new way of thinking, this new way of understanding how our body works is called German New Medicine. The doctor that created this, made these discoveries, he had a 90% success rate with terminal cancer. Who are you going to listen to? The idiot doctors that just changed the name of celiac disease for no reason whatsoever? Or are you going to listen to somebody who actually has results? My students, they eat bread like next day. It's that easy. Who are you going to listen to? Someone who's been on a gluten-free diet and eats all this stupid gluten-free bullshit? Or are you going to listen to someone who actually fixes the root cause of the problem and actually uses real logic? It's up to you guys. So I have a 30-day program. It's down in the description below. It is free. All you got to do is click on it and you'll get this free PDF and you'll get an hour-long video that goes over my 4-step process for getting rid of celiac for good. Imagine getting rid of the fear of eating gluten. You can go out with your family, go out to restaurants, get dessert. That fear is gone. Gone. Now remember, if you have a severe allergic reaction to this, then you need to work with a professional. You need to work with me, because it's like how does wheat remind you of the conflict? Maybe you were eating a piece of bread, you were eating a peanut butter sandwich while you got attacked by a dog. Maybe you were having a dessert when you saw like a pastry when you saw your girlfriend or your boyfriend walking with somebody that wasn't you, and then they were holding hands and kissing. Now the brain thinks, oh my God, every time I see gluten, oh my God, there's something bad's going to happen to me. And then you have these idiot doctors telling you that it's the devil. When in reality, it is the body of Christ. Like, it's just so ridiculous that someone can perceive gluten as hard to digest. And I used to do it too, guys. So I'm making fun of myself here too, guys. I just want to help you have the best life possible. In life, it's very hard to have a good life if you don't eat gluten. Go to Italy. You don't believe me? Go to Italy and try to have a good time being gluten-free. It's going to suck. Or anywhere else in the world. So, all right, guys, go down below, click on this, and learn how to get rid of your gluten intolerance for good. And please be careful. Please be very careful if you have a severe reaction to gluten. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.